Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important part of your travel preparation: travel insurance. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for travel insurance for your short-term or long-term trip. And the best part? The deductible will only cost you $0. These days, many countries require tourists to get travel insurance before visiting, as unexpected situations can arise that can lead to a medical emergency. As a traveler, you'll want to ensure that you can enjoy your dreamy holiday without worrying about the cost of healthcare in a foreign country. There are many companies that offer travel insurance. However, today I will show you how I applied for travel insurance with IMG Global Insurance. So let's get started. Welcome to Terrific 876. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. First, open your web browser and go to the IMG Global website by entering www.imglobal.com in the address bar, or simply search IMG Insurance in Google. Once you're on the homepage, you can click on the Get a Quote tab to begin the process. But if you would like to view the plans that are available, then you can select the Show Plans tab on the top right of the page. You will be directed to this screen where you'll be required to enter your travel date by first selecting the date of departure and the last day you will be in the country you plan to visit. As an example, I'll select July 12th and then choose my end date, which will be July 19th. Then you're going to scroll down and click Next. You will be asked whether you need coverage in the USA. If your destination is the US, then you can select Yes, but for this tutorial we will click No. Next, you'll choose your intended destination. Let's use Bali, Indonesia as the destination for this demonstration. As you type, the name of the country will appear, so just click it and then press Next to continue. Then you'll be required to insert your age, gender, citizenship, and residence. We will use Alberta, Canada to demonstrate. If you need to include a spouse or a child, then you can check the boxes or add another insured by clicking the plus sign below. To move on, just click Next. Then you'll be asked if you would like to cover your trip costs. Adding trip protection means you'd be covered for costs related to cancellation, baggage delay, and so on, as stated here. For further information on that, it may be best contact the company. For this demonstration, we won't be adding this plan. Next, you'll be taken to a page which shows you all the plans that you're eligible for, based on the information that you've just included. Once you're on the plans page, scroll through the list of available plans. Here, you'll see various options like Patriot Exchange Program Insurance, Patriot International Platinum, and Patriot International Lite, and more. Scroll back up, then click on the Patriot Lite plan. From the website, this seems to be the most popular plan, and is also the plan that I've used a few times in the past. Here, it states that this plan provides medical coverage for unexpected illnesses and accidents up to the policy maximum, as well as COVID-19. The maximum limits range from $50,000 to $1 million US. It also includes emergency medical evacuation coverage up to $1 million. The policy maximum is the maximum amount you will be given for coverage. The deductible amount is the amount of money that you, the insured, will be required to pay out of pocket for medical care. If you click on deductible, then you will see options for the amount that you can choose. A lower deductible usually means a lower out-of-pocket expense. If we click on plan details here, it will also show some additional protection. You can scroll through them and select the ones you would like to receive coverage for. I usually opt to get the Adventure Sports Rider as it includes adventure sports, such as hot air balloon rides, skydiving, and jungle ziplining. A few activities I often participate in when I travel. Read carefully to ensure you understand what is included. Then press Add when you're done. This will allow you to add this extra coverage to your trip. Scroll back up and click on Buy Now to move on. Now, let's jump into the application process. Fill in your personal details such as your email address, name, and date of birth. We will provide fictitious names and addresses to use as examples. When you're finished, check to ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Make sure to double-check everything before moving on to the next step. On the next page, it gives you the option of changing your deductible and coverage amount. You can make changes if you wish. A summary will also be provided at the right corner of the page that shows you the total price. Again, on page 3, it gives you the choice of adding optional coverage. Think about your activities and potential risks to decide on the appropriate coverage you would like to add. We already added the Adventure Sports Rider, so you can see it highlighted there in blue. Next, you'll be taken to the contact information page. You'll be required to give your contact details, so go ahead and do so. Enter city and postal code and place of residence and telephone number. Then scroll down the page and click Next when you're done. Now you'll have to review your information. If you need to edit or make changes to the information you provided, then you can click the Edit button on the right side of the page and easily make those changes. When you scroll down to the last item on the page, you will see the total amount due at checkout. And click Next to begin the payment process. Next, enter your payment information. The Patriot Lite plan typically requires payment by credit or debit card. Enter your payment details. Ensure your payment details are secure and correct, then check the box to agree to the terms. You will also need to type your name in the digital signature box before placing your order. After completing your payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your policy documents. These documents will include your insurance card, policy number, and details about your coverage. Print out these documents and keep a copy with you while traveling. It's also a good idea to have a digital copy accessible on your phone or email. And that's it. Now you're covered and ready to enjoy your trip. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Remember, travel insurance is an essential part of your trip planning, offering peace of mind and protection. It provides coverage for medical emergencies, ensuring you get the necessary treatment without worrying about costs. It offers trip cancellation protection, reimbursing you for non-refundable expenses if you need to cancel your trip. It covers lost or delayed baggage, helping you replace essential items. Finally, it offers peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your trip without worrying about unexpected events. These benefits ensure that you can travel with confidence. Safe travels, everyone!